Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Durga Puja makeup look. Now let me tell you, I love Durga Puja. I love how people dress up during this time of the year and I really wanted to try it out myself. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off my makeup with this Color Bar primer. Now primer actually help करता है आपके मेकअप को इंटैक्ट रखने के लिए. अगर आपको लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन के लिए अपना मेकअप रखना है इन प्लेस, देन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट योर मेकअप विद योर प्राइमर. Next, I'm going to be using this orange color corrector. ये LA Girl का है. Now, as you guys can see, I have dark circles. अगर किसी के भी इतने ज़्यादा dark circles हैं तो आप हमेशा orange color corrector के साथ अपना मेकअप शुरू करो because it helps you to cancel out the darkness under your eyes. After this, I'm mixing two foundations today. एक Maybelline Fit Me है और दूसरा MAC Studio Fix Fluid है. इन दोनों का कवरेज बहुत अच्छा है. They give you a very dewy finish. It's still matte, but I would say कि ये काफ़ी अच्छा बेस बनता है. If you're not into super heavy cakey foundations, you must really go for this one, especially when it's a day look. I have a damp beauty blender with me to blend out all the foundation on my face. After this, I'm using this Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium. Now this concealer, guys, I swear by, it's very good. I'm again blending it with my beauty blender. Now I was not fully satisfied with the coverage on my face, तो मैंने इसीलिए I went ahead with this Nykaa palette. This is a concealer palette and these are the two shades that I'm going for. Again, this is a super palette for people who have heavy dark circles. Definitely invest in this. Now I'm going to be taking this Fit Me loose powder और मैं एक बहुत generous amount अपने under eyes पे लगाऊंगी because I'm doing this eye makeup look और अगर उसके कोई भी fallouts होंगे I can easily dust it off. Now we are moving on to the brows. मैं अपनी brows पहले brush करती हूँ हमेशा fill करने से पहले. I'm gonna be using this Rimmel brow kit. इसमें gel और powder दोनों आते हैं. It really depends on my mood. मैं दोनों से ही अपना brow fill करना पसंद करती हूँ. It's a very easy product to use, trust me. Always brush out your eyebrows after you fill them in to give a very nice and clean look. Now guys, you know I always use this palette. I absolutely love this palette by Revolution Pro. I'm using very earthy tones today. मैं काफ़ी light रखना चाहती हूँ because I want glitter to stand out. तो मेरे tones काफ़ी light हैं. Also using another palette which is the Maybelline one for just one shade. Now I'm gonna start off with my crease. मैं सबसे पहले crease पे जो matte shades हैं वो लगा रही हूँ because मुझे ऊपर के लिए transition shade चाहिए था. Everything out with a very clean brush. मैंने brush को बहुत दूर से पकड़ा है so that I don't take excess of product. Now guys, I tried applying the golden shade from the palette but I was not satisfied with it. So I'm switching over to this Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadow. Now this is a liquid eyeshadow और मैंने ये सीधा directly लगाया है. And I'm just blending it out with a brush. I think this was giving me a better glitter look. I'm just dusting off the excess of powder from my face or any fallouts that I have. We are now moving on to the eyeliner. This is by Lakme. I love it. Now guys, eyes are the main part of this look and I was all in to go super loud. And here I'm just making a wing. Also, I think I really winged it out. मैंने इतना बड़ा wing I think कभी नहीं बनाया है. But I really wanted to go all out for this look. And I wanted my eyes to be super dramatic and big. Just like how Bengalis like to do it. I did my other eye off camera and I've also put in some kajal. Now I'm taking this black shade from the palette और मैं अपनी lower lash line पे ये black eyeshadow shade लगा रही हूँ just to give me a fuller eye look. I love the kohl in my eyes. I apply it very rarely, but I love it whenever I apply kohl. Just doing it on my other eye as well. Using my absolutely trustworthy mascara by Maybelline. This is the colossal one. I went for a lighter mascara because anyways eyes बहुत dramatic हो रही थी, so I was not going for a fuller lash look. And this is quite a reasonable light mascara in the market. Now we are going to be bronzing our face with this Faces bronzer. I've hit the pan, you guys can see. I love this bronzer. It gives a very nice definition on your face. काफ़ी आपके cheeks को stand out कर देता है. अगर आपका double chin है तो आप jawline पे भी लगा सकते हैं. Also, let's not miss out on the blush. This is by Lakme. I love this shade. This is super pink, fresh, bright. Just smile a little while you're applying the blush. Now of course we can't miss out on highlighter. This is again by Makeup Revolution. I love this highlighter. You guys have seen me apply this in all my videos because it's just so good. I cannot get over this. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Now guys, the final part, lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick by Maybelline which was really matching my kurta and काफ़ी close shade था ये मेरे kurta से. I love liquid lipsticks. I think they are very easy to apply और ये वाली जो Maybelline की है, this I absolutely love. The formula is so good. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Now I'm all set for Durga Puja. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved doing this look. Love the bindi also. Do show some love for this video. Like, share and subscribe. And also I'm gonna see you for my next video very soon. Bye guys.